A samurai cat. So a few months ago, my team and I set out to make a short film about a samurai armored cat. We wanted to capture the essence of a classic samurai film, but with a twist of humor. The film follows the story of a cat who sets out on a journey to become a samurai. Along the way, he meets a wise old turtle who becomes his mentor. Together they train for months, learning the ways of the samurai. But when it comes time for the final test, the cat's whiskers betray him and he is banished from the village. Devastated, the cat returns home, only to find that his house has been destroyed by a band of rogue turtles. In a rage, the cat vows revenge and sets off to find the turtle who destroyed his home. Along the way, he meets a beautiful white cat who joins him on his quest. Together they battle hordes of rogue turtles, eventually reaching the leader of the pack. The final fight is epic, full of action and suspense, but in the end, the samurai cat emerges victorious. And that's the story of the samurai cat. The end.